In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddles. Slack Huddles are a quick and informal way to jump into live audio or video conversations right inside your Slack workspace. They're perfect for short check-ins, quick questions, or talking through something that would take too long to type. Let's walk through exactly how to start a huddle and what you can do once you're in one. To start a huddle, first open the channel or direct message where you want to talk. This could be a team channel, a project space, or a private conversation with a colleague. At the top of that conversation, in the header area, look for the small headphone or headset icon in the top right corner. When you click that icon, Slack will immediately start a huddle for that specific channel or DM, and other people in that conversation will see that a huddle is live. You don't have to use the icon if you prefer other methods. Another way to start a huddle is to right-click on any message in a conversation. In the menu that appears, select Start a Huddle. This is handy if a particular message sparks a discussion and you want to continue it live. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to start a huddle even faster. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and H together. On Windows, press Control, Shift, and H. This is great if you're someone who likes to keep your hands on the keyboard and move quickly between tasks. Once a huddle is active, joining is simple. You'll see the headphone icon light up or animate in the conversation header, and you might also get a small notification or invite. Just click the headphone icon or the invite notification to join the huddle. When you're in, your microphone will usually turn on, so take a moment to check your audio and background noise. During a huddle, you can choose whether to be audio only or turn on video. Use the camera icon to toggle your video on or off at any time. If you need to show your screen, click the screen icon to start sharing. This is especially useful for walking through documents, slides, or troubleshooting something together. You can invite more people as you go. Use the Invite People button in the Huddle interface to bring others in directly, or simply mention them in the channel so they can see there's an active huddle and join themselves. While you're in the huddle, there are a few helpful features to make collaboration smoother. You can use reactions to share quick feedback with emojis without interrupting the speaker. If your workspace has AI notes enabled, you can start AI-powered note-taking and transcription, which helps capture key points and decisions automatically. There's also an integrated Canvas feature you can open for collaborative docs, planning, or jotting down ideas together in real time. When you're done, leaving the huddle is just as easy as joining. Click the headphone icon again or hit the red Leave button. This will disconnect you from the huddle, and you can always rejoin later if it's still active. That's the core of how to use Slack huddles, how to start them, manage audio, video, and screen sharing, invite others, use collaboration tools, and leave when you're finished.